So for this one, exercise, find dy over dx of each of the following. So for number 13, we have y is equals to x minus 6 all over 3x plus 4 raised to the power of 1/3. So we have, first we have y prime is just equals to bring down 1/3. So just copy inside x minus 6 all over 3x plus 4. So 1/3 minus 1, right? So derivative inside. So just copy 3x plus 4 multiply by derivative of x minus 6 is just equals to 1 minus, so copy again x minus 6, the derivative of denominator is 3x plus 4, so 3, so all over 3x plus 4 squared. So after this one we will have y prime is equals to 1/3 multiplied by x minus 6 all over 3x plus 4. So 1/3 minus 1 is just equals to negative 2/3. Right? So negative 2/3 multiply by 3x, just distribute 3x plus 4 minus 3x minus 18 all over 3x plus 4 squared. So we have, after this one we will further simplify. So y prime is just equals to 1/3. So 1/3, so this will further have this x minus 6 raised to the power of, I will put everything in the, so we'll just simplify first. So x minus 6 all over 3x plus 4, so it's negative 2/3, negative 2/3. So multiply by, so 3x plus 4, distribute the negative signs of negative 3x plus 18 all over 3x plus 4 squared. So after this one we will combine similar terms. So y prime is equals to 1 all over, so we'll put everything in the denominator with having a negative exponent. So x minus 6 raised to the power of 2/3 multiply by 3x plus 4 raised to the power of negative 2/3, right? So multiply by, so we'll have 3x minus 3x just equals to 0. So 18 plus 4 is just equals to 22. So 22 all over 3x plus 4 squared. So we'll combine these two equations. So y prime is equals to 22 all over. So just copy 3 multiplied by x minus 6, 2/3. So 3x plus 4 negative 2/3 multiplied by 3x plus 4 squared is just equals to what is negative 2/3 plus 2. So 3. So negative 2 plus 6. So it is negative. So it's positive 4/3. So we'll have 3x plus 4 raised to power 4/3. So this is now our final answer. Right? So we have this one. So let's check if our answer is correct. So 22 all over 3 multiplied by 3x plus 4 raised to the power 4/3 multiplied by x minus 6 raised to the power 2/3. So our answer here is correct. So let's proceed to number 15. So let's answer number 15. So y is equals to 4 multiplied by square root of x plus 1 raised to the power 5. So we have y prime, so power rule. So 4 multiplied by 5. So just copy inside square root of x plus 1. So we have 5 minus 1. So we'll have x raised to the power of 1 half. So let's convert this into x raised to the power of 1 half. So we have x raised to the power of 1 half. So the derivative inside is 1 half multiplied by x. So raised to the power of 1 half minus 1, right? So derivative of 1 is just equals to 0. So further simplification, we have y prime is just equals to 20 multiplied by x raised to the power of 1 half plus 1 raised to the power of 5 minus 1 is just equals to 4 multiplied by 1 half. So we have 1 half multiplied by x raised to the power of negative 1 half. So after this one, we will further simplify again. So we have y prime is just equals to, we have, we'll cancel 2. 20 divide 2 is just equals to 10. So it just equals to 10, right? So we have 10 multiplied by x, square root of x plus 1. So we have the negative exponent. So we put that in the denominator. So we have x raised to the power of 1 half. So convert this to finalize this answer to, so 10 multiplied by square root of x plus 1 all over a square root of x. So this is now the final answer. So let's check if our answer is correct. So 10, so I forgot the 4 here. So sorry, so there should be a 4 exponent and a 4 exponent here. So we have 10 multiplied by square root of x plus 1 raised to the power 4 all over square root of x. So we have, so our answer here is correct. So let's proceed to number 17.